more blessing, chivhayo. Hi, my name's Sonia Louise Matskanda. I've never met you, but I know you like talking about me a lot online. So I just thought I would just do this one shout out for you, just this one special one. Where do I start? Don't underestimate the power of pillow talk. I've heard and know a lot about you, and I've heard it directly from your brother. Okay, so I don't want to waste my Sunday, waste my energy online talking about you. Before, when I didn't address you, was because I was married to your brother, and I wanted to respect the relationship I had with your brother. He was my husband, I was his wife, and I didn't want to be seen online attacking his family members. No, I don't come from a family where we do that. Okay, but now I'm single. You understand? Talking about your life, putting your life in the streets. I'm out of it because I don't know if people really know you or care about you and the likes. Okay, so that's the first main point. The second point is your brother is working so hard at telling the world it's AI, and you are going online talking about this issue. So I don't know if you're helping him or if you're fighting him, but I just thought I would start there. I hope your Sunday is blessed. I hope when you wake up to this, you just think about it and say, what am I doing? What am I getting out of this? Okay, this girl left, right? You should be celebrating. You should be happy. You should be trying to get to know your new my ninis. But alas,